Hello everyone, good evening. Nice to meet you. I'm Anija, an anchor of this program. To get started our program, I'm seeking kind permission of our Honorable President. Please, thank you so much for your kind giving permission. Dear distinguished participants, first of all, here is model song, and I welcome Miss Meena to present us a model song. So Miss Meena, please come on.
আমি এখন একটা বাংলা গান গাই, রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত। মায়া বন বিহারিণী, মায়া বন বিহারিণী হরিণী, গগন স্বপন সঞ্চারিণী, মায়া বন বিহারিণী। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you so much for your nice performance, Miss Meena. Dear distinguished participants, this is the last part of our program. Please pardon me. Hope to see you next. No more today. Bye.